Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Replace with and replace by. What's the difference? If you don't know, let me explain in brief the difference. Just keep watching the video. Replace with means to take something away and put something new in its place. For example, you can replace your broken chair with a new one. ده معناه انك انت استبدلت الكرسي المكسور بكرسي جديد. That means the broken chair is gone. خلي بالك ده معناه ان الكرسي المكسور انت اتخلصت منه، يعني مش موجود عندك. لما استخدمنا replace with. Now let's talk about the second one, replace by. Replace by means to get something new instead of something old. For example, you can replace your computer by buying a new one. That means your old computer is still there, but you are using the new one instead. ده معناه لما استخدمنا replace by إن الكمبيوتر القديم ما زال موجود عندك بس أنت بتستخدم الكمبيوتر الجديد. This is the difference between replace with and replace by. I hope the video is useful. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.